How to use your DC eWIC card. Start off by picking out your favorite nutritious WIC foods to enjoy. You can use the easyWIC app to find WIC-approved food items. Just go to dcwic.org to download the app. If you're still having trouble finding which foods are approved, ask a store manager. And don't worry, you don't have to buy everything in one shopping trip. So only buy what you need. It's time to get ready for checkout. You can use this time to have your DC eWIC card ready, also pictured at the bottom left of the screen. Use your eWIC card to pay for WIC food items. Enter your unique PIN. Check the receipt to make sure WIC food items are paid for with WIC benefits. If you're buying non-WIC items, use a second method of payment. You can even use the self-checkout lane. You can follow the same steps as if you were checking out with the cashier, but if you have any issues, see the store manager for assistance. Visit dcwic.org/eWIC for more information or call your WIC clinic. You can use your card at Safeway, Harris Teeter, Giant, Walmart, corner stores, and more. Just visit dcwic.org to find the approved store list and locations.